Now let's do another episode about microphones. And once again we will be checking microphone from Razer. This is the Bluetooth version of the Seiren. This is the desktop version of the Seiren and this is the Bluetooth version. So the Bluetooth version has a battery that according to Razer should last about 6 hours. I haven't had time to actually test how long it will last, but actually that's depending on the settings that you use on the microphone. Little more about that later. This model is good for recording audio from phone with Bluetooth connection. There's a little clip on the microphone so you can put it on your clothes. Also, if you have a Bluetooth on your PC, you can use this to record sounds while gaming. Okay, let's unbox this little thing. On the cover here, you can find the instructions of charging, connecting, and telling you about the app that you should use with it. The device is obviously quite small. Let's check what else in the box. USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. There are two different windsocks here for indoor and outdoor use. Okay, quite good. As you can see, this thing is really tiny. My fingers are bigger than this and it only weighs about 15 grams. USB-C for charging is on the bottom. And then there's the 3.5mm headphone jack on the top, so you can also listen what the mic is picking up. That's about it. Let's pair this to my phone and check what the software and the audio quality is. Once the pairing is done, you can find the microphone from the Razer streaming app. Well, the software is very straightforward. From the main window, you can see the battery level. You can name it if you want to rename the device. It will quick connect to my phone by default. You can change that also. There's the artificial intelligence that should increase the noise reduction from external noises, so it will limit if there is a, let's say, an ambulance driving in the street, so it should be able to isolate that noise from your recordings when you set it to high. But keep in mind that when I talked about the battery in the beginning, if you set this to high, it will eat the battery faster. Another thing that will eat the battery is the low latency, that setting that you can use if you are streaming while gaming, so there's no lag between the noise the voice input, but that will also eat the battery faster. The Sidetone is if you are connecting headphones to the 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can hear your own voice. You can also use actually an external microphone, so the 3.5mm jack on top is also for external microphone. The gain is a standard thing on all microphones. It will define of how wide area the microphone actually picks up the noises, the voices around you. So by default, I do really recommend setting it low and testing it out and then raising it little by little. The pickup pattern is actually same as on the other Seiren, the version 3 mini that we used, so super cardio, so it will pick up noises everywhere around you. There are no any different pickup patterns available for this model. That's about it. Ultra portable mic for single use with good sound quality. I highly recommend. Thanks again for watching, guys.